Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we are going to do the Excel table. How to do it from SPSS without copying everything before you move to the Word document. So the first assumption that you need to know, you need to have that is that you already have the output table. And today we are going to run the demographic characteristics. Okay, so what you're doing is you analyze descriptive statistic and you use frequency. So this is the output table. I say normally when you want to do it, you need to copy one by one, right? So now we would like to cut the process. So how you do it? The first one is you need to open the Excel table. Now this is your Excel. Remember, you always start with the A. Try to save the cell because after you do it so many times, you'll be confused later on. So try to be consistent. Try to use the first column. Okay, now let's go to one by one. First, you copy gender. Okay, copy paste. The second one, you copy the age. Okay, and then what else do you have? Religion. You have religion. Okay, so you should have the religion here, not 1, 2, 3. All right, it's okay. We are going to amend that later. This is my students' data, and then you have marital status, and then education level. Okay, most of the students, they are going to copy one by one to Word document, but today we are going to do the shortcut. Now let's do the first one. First, delete E and F because it's not needed. Okay, you just need frequency and percentage, and then make this bigger. Okay, you can just drag and play around. Okay, now delete all the unnecessary information. No, not yet. Now valid. Can you see valid here? Okay, so copy gender here because it's for gender. Okay, this one is for age. All right, this is for religion, and then this is for race, and it's for marital status, and then education, and that's all. After you copy the first column A, and then what you need to do is to delete. How to delete? You just go to the number here, the column number, and then press Ctrl. Okay, press Ctrl. Where is your delete? Okay, press Ctrl. Okay, Ctrl, and use your mouse to drag. Okay, so delete. Now that's the first delete. When you want to select all, okay, choose this between A and 1 button. You can see the flip here. Select all. Of course, it needs to be 10. Sorry, it needs to be 10. Why it's not happening? Numlock. Okay, and then it needs to be times New Roman. Alright. Okay, now you can see everything here. But since that it is colored, still select all, go to paint, and then no color, no fill. Right? And then you want all the alphabet is black. Now, normally frequency and percentage will be in the middle. Okay, what is here? Here is to avoid the hanging. It will be in the middle. Okay, so to make it nice, you put everything in the middle. But to make it better, you just insert 1 here. Alright, where this is the number. Okay, and O. Okay, and O. This is, as you can see here, it is merged, right? So click on merge. So this is the items. These are details. Okay, so these are details. So what you need to do is you need to do the merge again, right? So not that hard. We can just copy everything. Number here, just change to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 items, right? 5, 6 items. Okay, and numbers should be in the middle as well. Okay, now, so now you have the almost perfect table, but not perfect yet. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to bold the total. Just choose and then press Ctrl. Okay, bold. Ctrl B is bold. Okay, and education is Ctrl. Okay, now in APA style, okay, you need to be aware of the lines, right? So you need to be in the middle. So first, just delete all the line, no border. Okay, so you want to have a line in total. Okay, just control and drag, control and try, use your mouse, use your keyboard. Okay, so it will be very fast this way. All right, down, and then here. All right, now you have a perfect table. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to copy this in Word document, Control C. Word document. Okay, say that I would like to put it here. Okay, just Control V. But it is not perfect. Yeah, how to do it is select all. You can see the button here. Go to right click and then go to auto fit window, and then it's nice. Right now we finished the table. Religion and education here. We'll do it. All right, thank you very much for watching.